Organization, Japan, with research area laser beam instrumentation and fiber optics. Sir has a total experience in research and teaching of 12 years and 5 months. At present, Sir is working as an associate professor with the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, India. Sir has a total of 70 plus publications in various journals and conferences. Sir is also a proud member of various societies like Society of International Linear Light, Indian Scientist Association of Japan, Indian Laser Association, Particle Accelerator Society of Japan, Institute of Electrical and Electronics, and Optical Society of India. With this, I would like Dr. Arpit Ravankar to please take up the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Megha ma'am, for the introduction. So, is it fine if I start sharing the screen, ma'am? Do I have hosting rights?
Yes, sir. Please try this first.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. I am able to share the screen. Okay, thank you, Megha ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so participants, first of all, very welcome to the FTP sessions on LabView programming and hardware interface. So myself, Arpit Ravankar, and I will be helping you to do the graphical programming with a graphical user interface, LabView programming for this coming week. Okay, so in this particular session, basically, we will study about the what is a LabView software, like how it's going to help as an engineer faculty to develop a curriculum, to develop the labs, or to do a research projects. Apart from that, we will like to see that what is the capability of this particular software as far as the hardware interfacing is concerned. Today's session, we will keep for the at least that all drives and the software is loaded on your PC or desktop. And once it's done, then we start doing making a GUI, graphical user interface. So I think you all are connected with some WhatsApp group, and in that WhatsApp group, several files were being shared. So that files actually contains the older versions of the LabView. There's a 2017 version is there. So I request all the participants to start installing that 2017 version of the LabView. See, there is such no difference between a newer version and the older version. But 2017 we considered as a base because after that, so many toolkits were developed, and 2017 onwards, all versions are compatible with those toolkits. So apart from that, those like who don't want to go with that way. So as you all know that this LabView is a National Instruments product. Okay. So this National Instruments product is a website is a ni.com. So what you need to do is a www.ni.com. So now my screen is visible to you. So just I type here www.ni.com. Okay. So this is a product of National Instruments. National Instruments is a US-based a multinational company. It's like a PLC, SCADA, IoT, embedded systems, programming. So many products they have actually developed, and most of their product are combined with the programming software that's a LabView. So you go to any research organization, whether it's a TIFR, BARC, okay, there you will find the most of the labs are being automated by the LabView. Okay, so technically it started in Maharashtra, in the state of Maharashtra, started around 2010 onwards. So first lab that actually had a LabView, a full LabView lab was a VGTI. After that, then we find this software being used in IITs and other educational software also. So initial, as such a initial image of this particular software was like, it's basically an industry software. So it's built for an industry applications. But slowly, because to fill that gap between the academics and industry, so academic organizations started adopting this particular software. So as we can see that a MATLAB is basically an academic software, but a LabView is more like an industry software, but all labs in academic institutes are being automated by LabView now. LabView actually provides you a facility to build your own graphical user interface. So when you go to this website, ni.com, okay, NI means National Instruments, it's a product of a National Instruments. So in that you go to products, okay, so here you go to products, okay. In the products you see view all software, so there's a LabView, okay. So this LabView stands for, lab stands for laboratory, VIEW, that VIEW stands for Virtual Instrumentation Engineering Workbench. So laboratory for virtual instrumentation engineering workbench. You click on this particular link on LabView software, it will direct you to a new page. So see that as a certain graphical user interface are being shown. Also, that's what you will be able to develop for your any project or any related application. And it's a licensed software, but you can download it as a evaluation version is available on the website. And here at the bottom, if you see that there's a programming, graphical programming for test and measurement, here you can see that there is a link called a download LabView. Okay, so from here you can actually, if you click it over here, it will direct to a particular link as a LabView. So you must be aware about your configuration of your desktop or a laptop. So operating system is a Windows, or you are using a MacBook, or you are using a Linux operating system. And then the version, there's 2023 version, 22 version, 21 version, all versions are available there. But I suggest you to install 2017 or 2017 onwards. Okay, and supported operating system, if you see over here on the right side, it's like Windows 11 and Windows 10. Okay, so it can support a Windows 11 and Windows 10. Suppose you are not having a Windows 10, then you go for some lower version. But I think most of you have a Windows 10, so you can use this LabView 2023 version. Okay, and then you click on download. But directly you can't download it. First, you need to create an account. To create an account, like you have to go to here, okay. You have to create a one account. So I as such have my account created over here, and this account just require a one simple email registration of your organization, and then they will send you a link and you can create an account. So first step is create an account, okay. So go to here, go to my accounts and create an account. And once you created your account, you require just your email ID of your organization. They will send you a link. You click on that link, so automatically you become a registered. After you become a registered, then you can go to ni.com. This ni.com products. Then go to software. In the software, there's a LabView. Click on the LabView, and then you can go to here, graphical programming, test and measurement, and download LabView. So you can download a version of your choice. Okay, as such. So first step, because it's this session from now onward, these sessions are basically dedicated for a hands-on experience. So I want this particular software to get installed in all of your desktop or laptop, whatever you are using, so that some problem is there, so then you can share your screen or you can send me a snapshot so I can rectify, I can solve that particular issue. So I have another 30 to 50 minutes we will keep for installation of the LabView. If you don't want to follow this particular method, on the WhatsApp we have shared a link, okay, a Google Drive link. In that Google Drive link, most of the LabView files are there. So LV 2017 ENG, that's a LabView 2017 file. You can directly download it. Once we download a LabView, then slowly I will keep posting several links for drives and controls. So suppose you want to interface any embedded system like an Arduino or Raspberry Pi, okay, you want to control your VNA or DSO, it's from Tectonics, Agilent. So then certain drive files are there that I will post it on the link, and you can download it. So these are add-ons, okay, these are add-ons, but most important point is you must have the LabView software. So it's your choice, either you can go for with the WhatsApp link, WhatsApp Google Drive link, 2017 version, LV2017 ENG, that's a file name that you can install. May take 30 minutes, depends on the internet bandwidth that you are having, or you can go with the this particular ni.com, and in ni.com you can install the LabView. These two things. Once a LabView is installed, your system will ask you to restart. Okay, so then again we give some 10 minutes break, because once you restart a system, you will automatically logged out from this Zoom meeting. So that also we should keep in mind. But please, I want all of you to have a LabView software in next 40-50 minutes, and then you can restart your PC, and then we can actually have a first session for the LabView. We can have a very simple graphical user interface in which we can have some analog controls, indicators, numeric control indicators, digital controls and indicators. Okay, so I'm here for another 2 hours. So please, if any problem is there, let me know. So links are shared, and please start installing it.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Among this 2017, there is called SP1 pack, SP1, and which one would be good, sir?
Sir, your voice is so low. Please speak loudly, sir.
Sir, in the version, it is showing 2017 SP1 patch for the download.
Yeah, it's
Downloading of that version.
you're using ni.com.
Yes, sir, I'm using it because
Okay.
in the WhatsApp I couldn't see the link.
Okay. So if you are using ni.com, you can use a 2017 version. So in 2017, just let me share the screen and I will check. Just wait. Okay, so if we go to LabView, download LabView, you can install a 2023 version also. So here version. So
Yes,
17. Yes, go to 2017. You can't download it. So then you can go to SP1 patch. Okay, so don't go for, because it's a please install LabView 2001 SP1, because there are some other files so that you need to install. You can go for any higher version like a 2021, and see you can 2021 2020 SP1. You have to check whether you can have or you can select a runtime. Yeah, so included addition is a base full professional. Okay, and you can select on runtime. You can select on this runtime and you can get it installed. So I think when you select a runtime, most of the additions are available. So see 2020 SP1, there's a base, full professional, community and runtime. You have to see which sort of downloading option is available to you. Here it's not possible. 2020 SP1, suppose I select 2023 Q1. Yeah, so I can install 2023 Q1 base full professional. Okay, so you can go to 2023 Q1, 2022 Q3. Base full professional is not available. Community will require a certain license, I think. Community version is available and runtime version is available. So totally.
Should I select this 2023 Q1?
Yeah, if you select a 2023 Q1, a base full professional version is available. Okay.
Okay, we'll go with it.
Yeah.
Arpit sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm getting the message to install drivers. So I have to select all.
Ma'am, drivers like you have clicked on LV2017 ENG.
Which one?
Yeah. Some drivers are given after the installation.
Should I share my screen?
Yes, as such, ma'am, all drivers can be installed. You can select all for that.
All, okay.
Yeah. So as such, because there are multiple drivers, some faculty won't be using image processing or a camera processing for their research application, but these drivers will be installed in your LabView library, so that whenever you want to switch to a different domain, then these drivers are available. So as such, it's totally your choice whether you want to have a selected driver. So it depends on which type of application you want to run. But I suggest you install all the drivers. May take a few more minutes, but you will have your library ready for each sort of programming. Okay, so here you can see 2023, 2021 version is there. Community version you can download, or a runtime version you can download. You have to check with the included additions, but I suggest you have a base and full professional. So wherever you can have a base and full professional, you install that. Some candidates are asking about whether it's a free software or not. So see, it's a licensed software developed by the National Instruments, and once you install it, it will ask you for activation code, a license code. So then you can use the option of evaluate. Okay, so automatically it will start your trial days. So for some it is 30 days, for some version it is 7 to 8 days. So that is fine, because our internship runs our FDP runs for 1 week. So you can use it for another 1 week, and then you can have uninstall it and then again reinstall it. Apart from that, if you want to use a LabView for a long time, so then you can write to ni.com, www.ni.com. You can, there are some support email systems are there. You can write an application that you are a faculty, you are working in this particular organization, and for your lab development or for your research, you require a LabView software. So then ni.com can provide, National Instruments can provide you a 6-month license of software. So they will send you an activation link, and then as a faculty member or as a student, you can use it for another 6 months. So that's what most of the institute do. They write to National Instruments, and in return, National Instruments, after a week time, they ask for your IDs and some registration process, and then automatically they send you a link that will run for that enables a LabView for your system to run for another 6 months. So that's also a possible way.
Hello, sir. Excuse me. Hello, Arpit sir.
Yes, ma'am.
During installation, they are asking about select programming environment. So which one we should select? LabView, G-Web development software, Switch Executive, add-ons. Only LabView, na?
Yeah, only LabView. Only LabView you can install.
We don't want to select all, na? LabView only.
Yes, only LabView you select.
Oh, thank you.
Some faculties are having a Windows 7. So let me check whether it can run for, which version can run for Windows 7.
Additional items also they are asking, additional items.
You leave it, ma'am. As such, you leave it, because
Deselect all.
additional item, yeah. But can you tell me what sort of additional
JKI
item?
VI package manager, LabView advanced signal processing toolkit, LabView database connectivity toolkit, LabView data finder connectivity, LabView desktop execution trace toolkit.
Ma'am, it's better you install that VIPN, Virtual Instrumentation Packet Manager.
Which one?
VIPN.
Package manager, JKI VI package manager.
Yes, because it will help you to find the driver.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So you were asking about Windows 7. So here we can see that Windows 7 version over here, that 2017 version of full and professional is not possible to download. Runtime is possible. You can download a runtime, but better, I suggest you to go for a 2018 version. 2018 version, base and full professional. It's here also, it's not possible. 2019 version. Yeah, 19 version C, it supports the Windows 7. So base and full professional 2019 version supports the Windows 7. Okay, so you can install a 2019 onwards. So everyone need to understand that their operating system, whether it's a 7, 8, whether it's a MacBook or a Windows background, Linux operating background. So accordingly, you select your configuration, and in this downloads, you can go for that. I will just share this link if some issues are there.
It's
Yes.
I'm downloading it from the link which you have sent me.
Okay.
There we have given the order of download.
Yes. Audio. Yeah.
So I am downloading ni-serial.execute approach.
Yes.
So it is showing that in the file which you have here, installation will start. It may take 22 hours.
Pardon, sir. What did you say?
The link which you have shared, no,
Mm-hmm.
I am downloading it from there itself.
Mm-hmm.
And in that, you have also shared the process.
Mm-hmm.
So in that, it is showing that installation will start it may take 1 to 2 hours. Is it so?
See, if you're using a LabView, then may require a 45-50 minutes, around 1 hour.
Okay.
If you're using a NI serial won't require more than 5 minutes. So then there's the Arduino library is also there. So see, on the 6th day and 7th day of this particular FTP, we have specifically kept it for like Arduino and hardware interfacing. So in that, you are going to need certain toolkits in your library. So first 5 days you require only LabView software, LV software. For 6th and 7th day, you will require this NI serial communication port and Arduino drivers. So I suggest you only install the LabView LV2017, and then you can actually on the 6th and 7th day you will have a sufficient time, and then you can actually install.
Okay, thank you. That is what I wanted to know.
Yeah. So all the participants, in the link you will find certain files, LabView, NI serial, VIPM, and Arduino package. So 6th and 7th day are basically kept for hardware interfacing. So in that time, during that time, you will require, but you are having a one national holiday, one Sunday. So during that time also you can install, but right now the need of an hour is to install the LabView only. So LabView2017, or you can go to ni.com and you can have a latest version. Depends on which operating system you're using. Yes, if any doubt or problem is there, please let me know. I am here.
जोशी विकास